yo, before I just came back upon the planet. Damn, I was in a fatal car accident. I'm glad our life was spared to grab the mic, glitch him right. Yo, fuck that shit. It's the intellectual type of rhyme, grimy in the ghetto grooves. Yo, I wrote some shit about roasting those goddamn tools. So I hold mics, yo. It's the bulletproof. Yo, best. Yo, I give a mic to my man Shine to manifest.
Yeah, guerrilla war tactics, fatigue had fitted. Catch me in the trenches, I fucking dig it. Lay down the body, give him straight shoddy. Creep him in the woods with the shades, I'm Gotti. I'm ballin' crazy, you talking crazy. All you cats is lazy, the fucking game paid me. My name is Art to the, give me the microphone. I give you classic joints, they play them down home. Like I'm down home, it's like a homegrown. I get high off that shit like I'm pounds on. Yeah, I pay 50 for those every 3 weeks. We do it like a free throw, pick and roll flow. Now I rewind the whole fucking let it go. And I get them 7 digits, yo. Place them on the bed, and then I give them flids. I go for the shit, got art shot flicks. Let them know the game is what they really need. And I puff on the mic like I'm puffing on the weed. Enemies can't see me, 3D, copy me, NV, the one art.c.
Yeah. Don't let me just approach it. Damn, I wanna sit back and just lay my feet up on the sofa. But yo, before I rock, you know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna just spit the fire, and it's gonna be a reaction to the planet, to the earth. You know what? I just give a motherfucking crunk ass beat. It's the guerrilla warfare tactics, yo. I use the shit, cause you know what? People living in tragic situations, in ethical times and situations, yo. I just like to get my damn frustrations up out of my stomach and up off my chest. I bump my shoulder because you know what? The Buddha just blessed the herbal. That's